Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and today's word is bass. It's a C1 level noun meaning a low-pitched sound or a fish. So first off, what does bass actually mean? Well, when we're talking about sound, bass refers to those deep, low tones that you might feel in your chest when you hear music. For example, you might say the bass in that song is really strong. Or, when we're talking about the fish, it's a type of fish that's often found in rivers and oceans, such as in the sentence, I caught a large bass while fishing. Now, let's explore some synonyms. If we are referring to the sound, we might use the word low end. For example, the producer focused on the low end to give it a punchy feel. Another synonym for the sound is deep tone, as in the singer's voice had a rich, deep tone. For the fish, we could use the synonym sea bass, such as in we ordered grilled sea bass for dinner. How about some antonyms? For the sound, the opposite of bass could be treble, which refers to high-pitched sounds. For example, the treble was too sharp for my liking. Another antonym could be soprano, as in she sang the soprano part beautifully. Since bass, when referring to a fish, doesn't really have a direct antonym, let's just focus on the sound aspect. How does bass come up in everyday conversations? When describing music, you might say, that song has a killer bass line. Or talking about audio equipment, those headphones have incredible bass response. In the context of the fish, you might say, we had pan-fried bass at the restaurant. Some other example usages are the phrase bass guitar or the sentence, I love the feel of the bass drum. So to recap, bass can be both a low-pitched sound and a type of fish, with synonyms like low end and deep tone for the sound, and sea bass for the fish. The antonym for the sound of bass is treble. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If you enjoyed this episode of Hello Word, please subscribe and leave a review. It really helps other people find our show. And before you go, why don't you try writing a sentence of your own using the word bass and sharing it in the comments below? That's all for now. See you in the next episode.